Fruit custard is a summer dessert that everyone in the family, from adults to kids, really loves. So today, let's give that dessert a little twist and make Seviyan and mango custard. To make mango Seviyan custard, first take a little ghee in a pan. And now I'll add this to the ghee. Take about 1/4 cup of Seviyan, and these are the raw ones. We need to roast them. Once the Seviyan are roasted in the ghee, you'll notice their color changes a bit. At this point, we add 1 liter of milk. And we need to cook it in the milk until the Seviyan are cooked, and the milk will also reduce a little. The Seviyan tend to stick to the bottom, so we need to cook it while stirring continuously over low to medium heat and for flavor. At this point, I add cardamom powder from 3 to 4 pods. You can skip it if you want. It doesn't take much time for the Seviyan to cook. It will only take 5 to 7 minutes. See, the milk has come to a boil and the Seviyan is almost cooked. At this point, I am adding it. For sweetness, if you want to avoid condensed milk, you can also use sugar, and if you want to avoid sugar completely, then at this point, after turning off the heat, you can also add jaggery powder to it. You can also use dates soaked in water, but you should add both of these things after turning off the heat. And I'm using 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. You can definitely use less or more according to your taste. Everything has mixed well, so now it's time to add the custard powder. Here, I'm using about 1½ tablespoons of custard powder, the vanilla one. We will dilute it in milk. Now, to dilute the custard powder, I am adding this room temperature milk. Never add hot milk to custard powder, otherwise it will cook immediately and become very lumpy. And now, we will add this custard powder to the hot milk. After adding the custard powder, we need to continuously stir this mixture and cook it until it comes to a boil once or twice. Your flame should be on medium. See, the mixture has come to a boil. The vermicelli is cooked, and the custard is also cooked and has thickened. So now it's time to turn off the heat. Let's transfer the custard to a mixing bowl and then put it in the fridge to chill. Now this custard mixture has cooled down, meaning it has come to room temperature. This is the time when we will add it. I've made pulp from 1 mango. Whenever you add mango pulp to the custard mixture, just make sure that the custard mixture is completely cool or at room temperature. If you add it while it's hot, it will curdle. Now, we'll add it along with the mango pulp, mango pieces as well, and I have 2 mangoes here. If you want to add other fruits along with mango, you can definitely do that too. And now, this is totally optional, but for some crunch, I'm taking some pistachios. Let's mix everything together now. So, our delicious mango Sevaiya custard is ready, but we won't serve it just yet. We'll keep it aside for now. Let it chill in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours, and after that we'll serve it, because it tastes best when it's really chilled. So now, let's serve the mango Sevaiya custard. Now we'll put some more chopped mango on top of this custard and some pistachios. So here it is, delicious and chilled mango Sevaiya custard is ready. So here it is, delicious. I've reached the moon. Superb.